boys and girls. How are you today? I hope you're having lots of fun out in the sun playing. It's so nice out today. And I heard the birds singing. Have you been hearing birds singing? The robins and the redbirds? Well, we're going to read a story today about birds because they're really active in the springtime, and baby birds hatch in the springtime. And after we read our story about birds, we're going to make a bird feeder. Okay, are you ready? Okay, settle down and get ready for our story. Okay. The book is called Birds, and the author is Kevin Henkes, and the illustrator is Laura Dronzek. The author and the illustrator. The author writes the words and the illustrator draws the beautiful pictures. And this book has lots of nice pictures. And there's a robin flying and an apple blossom. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open windows. Birds can be yellow, or blue, or brown, or red, or even green, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. I think sometimes black birds that are black are called crows or starlings. Birds can be big or little. There's a big flamingo and a little tiny, maybe that's a hummingbird.
See that?
You think it's a hummingbird, Aria? Is it? Okay. Well, let's keep his little tiny nose. Or any size in between. This bird's called an owl. This one you see at the beach. That bird is a seagull, and this looks like a little wren. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move. I looked away for just a second. And they were gone. Now here they are sitting on the telephone wire, 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She looked away and they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. It would be all swirly with all the different colors. Red birds for red swirls, yellow birds and yellow swirls. They would be painting the sky with their tails. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this. Sometimes a cloud might look like the shape of a bird. Or this. Those birds look like they're sleeping. And that's the moon at nighttime. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. There's the little red bird. Do you think it looks like a little red leaf that didn't fall off the tree? What do you think, Aria?
No, because I can tell it has white.
You knew it was a bird? If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled. Surprise! And all the birds flew away. If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. I wonder. I to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. Boys and girls, see if you can make a whistling mouth, and let's try to whistle like a bird. Can you do it, Aria?
No,
And they can sing. And that's the end of our bird story.
Well, I can't do
Did you like that story, Aria? Yes.
But I can't do whistling together. I didn't do.
And if you were a bird, you could fly, right? Just like these birds do. So I want us all to listen tomorrow or tonight. Just a minute, honey, let me tell them about the birds singing. To listen for the birds that are singing. All right. Well, I hope you liked our bird story today. You can fly around in your yard on a bright sunny day. Love you all. Bye-bye.